Hello, I'm Andres Medina, and I'm going to be talking about a human cell and its organelles. A human cell has lots of organelles, each having a different job in order for it to function properly. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the lysosome, and the function that the lysosome has is to remove any type of waste, and it destroys the cell after it has died. Next, there's rough endoplasmic reticulum, better known as rough ER, and this modifies proteins and has ribosomes attached to it, assembling components of the membrane. Now we have the cytoplasm, and the cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance, and it basically supports all organelles inside of the cell. The cell membrane is very important because it provides protection for the cells, and it's made up of flexible structure and smaller molecules. Right here I had a typo that's supposed to say nucleolus, but it says nucleus, but I'm explaining it as a nucleolus, and the main function is to rewrite ribosomes into RNA and combines it with proteins. In the ribosome, translation happens, and that's basically that it's responsible for producing proteins. Next up, we have centriole and mitochondria, and the centriole is basically it helps chromosomes move inside into the cell, and you could find this being active during mitosis. Now, the mitochondria is basically the powerhouse of the cell, and it produces energy known as ATP. Next up is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, known as smooth ER, and this manufactures cell organelles, steroids, metabolism, carbohydrates, and aids with detoxification. Now we have Golgi bodies and the chromatin. So the chromatin makes up chromosomes, and those make up the DNA. And then the Golgi bodies sends and sorts proteins to the proper destination. The nucleus is known to be the brain of the cell, basically, and the function of this is it controls the activity of the cell and it regulates gene expressions. Now we have chloroplast and the nuclear membrane. So the nuclear membrane separates chromosomes from the rest of the cell, and the chloroplast photosynthesis occurs and converts light into chemical energy. The last organelle that I'm going to talk about is the vacuole. So the vacuole isolates waste products and maintains water inside of it.